Hello, today me and Mija here, we're together presenting our project at EUCYS. It's the Superhydrophobic aluminium surface with anti-corrosion and antimicrobial effect. We managed to create a surface so water repellent that water actually never touches it, and if you put a drop of water on it, it will just simply roll off. Not only, together with rolling off, it will take all the trash with it, which will actually make the self-cleaning effect. And other than that, it also has the anti-corrosion and antimicrobial effect.